All right, fifth graders, we are going to begin the lesson 15, Journeys Assessment. Starting with the vocabulary section. Number 1, what does the word efficient mean in the sentence below? The students did an efficient job cleaning the park. A, taking no time. B, wasting no time. C, working with others. D, celebrating with honor. In the next sentence for number 2, we'll be looking to see what the word organize means in the sentence. Joseph started to organize his toys on the bookshelf. F, dispose. G, magnify. H, order. I, repair. Number 3, what does the word tedious mean in the sentence below? Delivering newspapers was a tedious job. A, humble. B, marvelous. C, reasonable. D, tiresome. Number 4, looking to see what the word mimic means in the sentence below. Tori's little brother likes to mimic her. F, copy. G, dazzle. H, tease. I, upstage. Number 5, listening to see what the word peal means in the sentence below. There was a peal of laughter from the crowd. A, loud sound. B, soft whisper. C, grating noise. D, sudden silence. Number 6, what does the word invisible mean in the sentence below? The artist drew a picture with invisible ink. F, not seen before. G, not able to be seen. H, not written clearly. I, not close enough to see. Number 7, listening for what does the word impatient mean in the sentence below. My uncle grew impatient while he waited for the bus. A, confident. B, desperate. C, obedient. D, restless. Number 8, listening to see what the word illegal means in the sentence below. It is illegal to drive through a red traffic light. F, not voting for a law. G, not according to the law. H, not understanding the law. I, not a law that has been passed. Number 9, listening for the word irresponsible in the sentence below. The student knew she had been irresponsible when she lost her homework. A, not asking for help. B, not taking one's time. C, not keeping track of time. D, not being careful with one's actions. Number 10, listening for the word impossible in the sentence below. The climbers thought it would be impossible to reach the top of the mountain. F, not paid attention. G, not thought about. H, not able to be done. I, not given enough time. Section 2, comprehension. Basing your information on the story, We Were There Too. Number 1, what is similar about the overall structures of the two biographies in this article? A, there are several flashbacks in the narration. B, the events are described in sequential order. C, they compare and contrast a child and a father. D, each paragraph provides a problem and a solution. Number 2, how does the sidebar, recruiting for the Continental Army, help the reader understand more about Joseph's life during the Revolutionary War? F, it explains why Joseph would never be able to enlist in the Continental Army. G, it suggests that Joseph hesitated to become a soldier because of the job's low pay. H, it helps the reader understand how a boy like Joseph would hesitate to become a soldier. I, it provides facts about the ages and hometowns of the Continental soldiers who were recruited. Number 3, which statement best describes the purpose of the quotation that appears near the title of each biography? A. It gives the reader a sense of the horrors of the war. B. It provides information about the article's setting. C. It reveals something about each speaker's personality. D. It communicates the author's admiration for each speaker. Number 4. Which text feature helps explain some of the illustrations in the article? F. Captions. G. Quotations. H. Sidebars. I. Titles. Number 5. Sybil shows she is more interested in fighting than Joseph by watching men drill in the pasture. B. Riding farther than Paul Revere did. C. Writing a diary of the Revolutionary War. D. Agreeing to get involved with no hesitation. Number 6. How can you tell that Joseph is less eager to fight in the war than Sybil is? F. He is too young to enlist. G. He enlists for the shortest time possible. H. He says he believes that he is a coward. I. He hates to stay home while his friends are at war. Number 7. Joseph and Sybil both become involved in the war by A. Fighting a battle in New York. B. Riding all night on horseback. C. Risking their lives for the cause. D. Enlisting in the Continental Army. Number 8. How are Joseph and Sybil similar? F. They both own horses. G. They both work and live on farms. H. Their fathers are officers in the militia. I. Their actions help the colonists defeat the British. Number 9. How does the author organize the ending of each biography? A. As the last entry in a historical timeline. B. As an expanded caption to an illustration. C. In a poem written by the subject of the story. D. In a feature called What Happened to... Number 10. Joseph and Sybil each F. Marry someone. G. Live to the age of 90. H. Have bronze statues of themselves. I. Write books about their experiences.